Okay, so I received this Paderno non-stick bacon mat, silicone bacon mat from the Canadian Tire Tester for Life program. It says it's professional. It actually does fit a half-sheet pan, which is great. That's a professional pan right there. It claims it replaces parchment paper, aluminum foil, oil, and cooking spray. Withstands temperatures up to 450 degrees. It's reusable and distributes heat evenly. So you just wipe it clean when you're done. Wash it in warm water to start with. So what I'm doing today is I'm baking up about 6 dozen buns. So I'm going to do, what did I fit on there? 20 buns on this. I got 20 on parchment paper, and I'm going to compare and see how they work together. We'll come back and see what it looks like in a little while. Oh yeah, this thing, when you first get it, you just wash it. Not dishwasher safe. Looks really interesting. We'll see what happens. Okay, well, here's the results of our Paderno bacon sheet test. I cooked a sheet of buns on Paderno, and I cooked a sheet of buns on parchment paper. They're both the same. Paderno buns didn't come off as easy. They didn't stick. They were just a little less slippery than the parchment paper. I think it's a good choice. If you're doing the kind of volume where you want something like this, you don't want to use disposable stuff. This Paderno professional non-stick silicone bacon mat, not a bad idea. Give it a try if you want. I would give it a thumbs up. It is dishwasher safe, which was one concern I had, so there we go. Have a great day, everyone.